You've probably heard that resistors block electricity. But if they block it, why does current still flow through them? Many beginners imagine resistance like a wall that stops electricity. People think resistance absorbs current. Resistance kills electricity. Resistance completely blocks flow. But resistors don't stop electricity. They control how easily it moves. Resistance makes it harder for electric charge to move. Like a narrow road slows traffic. Cars still pass, just fewer per second. Resistance doesn't stop current. It limits how much can flow. Energy isn't lost. It's converted into heat, light, or motion. Low resistance means charge moves easily. More resistance makes movement harder, so less current flows. Resistance controls how much current a given voltage produces. The resistor converts electrical energy into heat. That's where the energy goes. With almost no resistance, nothing limits the flow. This is a short circuit. Short circuit carries overheating risk. That is why you need resistance to protect circuits. This shows why resistance is necessary. Resistance is used to limit current for LEDs, protect components, control brightness and speed, generate heat, heaters, toasters, set voltages in electronics, control signal levels. Every real electronic system carefully controls resistance to manage current. Resistance makes it harder for charge to move, limiting how much current flows for a given voltage.